Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to tension your cables with two level end kits. If you are using corner posts or angle posts, be sure to check out our other installation videos. Before you begin installing your cable, make sure that your posts and handrails are firmly mounted. Let's get started. We provide most of the tools needed for this installation. You just need to make sure you have a tape measure, pliers, and a Sharpie. Step 1. Tensioning the first end. Leaving your cable on the spool, run the loose end through the top hole of all posts on your run. Crimp a threaded crimp fitting onto the end of the cable, making sure to crimp twice. Thread your tension receiver onto the threaded crimp fitting, tightening it 4 turns. Pull the cable back toward the spool so that the tension receiver is seated flush against the post. Step 2. Tensioning the last end. Mark the cable with a Sharpie 3/4 of an inch from the inside edge of the post. Cut the cable. Repeat these steps for each of the other cables on this run. Starting with the middle run, crimp a threaded crimp fitting onto the open end of cable, making sure to crimp twice. Thread a tension receiver onto the threaded crimp fitting, tightening it 4 turns. Repeat for the rest of your cables in this run, following this diagram. Step 3. Tensioning the cables. Once all of the cables have been run and all hardware is mounted, make sure all of the cables are tensioned. Use your pliers to hold the cable in place while you tighten the tension receivers. Make sure again to follow this diagram when tensioning your cables. That's all you have to do to run your cables with two level end kits. Be sure to check out our other videos when corner kits or angle kits are involved. You can see all of our videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.